Welcome back. In this video, we are going to install Python on Windows. Go to python.org, click on download, and on this page, you will see the latest version of Python. As of this recording, we have 3.7.4. I'm going to click on that and it's going to download the executable for me. I'm going to click on executable and now it says install now, or you have a custom installation. Make sure that you check mark this box here. Add Python 3.7 to pod. It's going to save you a lot of pain. Otherwise, if you don't check it and then you try to access Python on your command prompt, you won't be able to find that. So make sure you checkbox this. Click on install now. Click on yes. And the installation process will start. Okay, so the Python was successfully installed. I'm going to click on close. Now let's verify that by opening command prompt. And here I'm going to type Python space dash dash version. Now I can see Python 3.7.4 is installed. Now, if you're on a Windows, I would highly recommend do not use command prompt. It's not that intuitive. I have an alternative recommendation for you. So if I go to new tab, I'll type cmder, click on this first link, cmder.net, go down and then click on this download mini. You can see we have downloaded cmder_mini.zip file. Now let me explain to you what is this. This is basically an alternative to your command prompt, or on Windows we have PowerShell. Personally, I have used both, but they're not really intuitive. So I would highly recommend to try out this terminal. Copy this and then paste it on a desktop. Okay, now I'm gonna extract it using 7-zip. Let's get rid of this folder now. Also want to get rid of this as well. Now we have successfully downloaded. It doesn't need to be installed by running an executable. I'm gonna close the browser. Here's the folder. I'm gonna open that and right click and then run as administrator. Click on yes, and there we go. You have cmder commander is installed and successfully running. Right now we are at users OSJamil desktop commander_mini. Okay, I'm gonna go to desktop. So let's go to cd ... and now we are in desktop. Now this is great. It basically gives you a feel of terminal on a Mac or terminal on Linux. It will have the same commands. It has some extra features that you can choose. If I right click here and go to settings, you can see you can create fonts here. So I want to just increase the size to 26. This looks better. We can change the colors. So it has lots and lots of options compared to command prompt, and I would highly recommend to give this a shot. Let's try some Python on Commander. So first, let's try typing Python space dash dash version. It tells me it has a Python 3.7.4 installed. I'm going to type Python and press enter. Now I'm in a Python shell using Python 3.7.4. It tells me when was the release of this version. It tells me some information about my system. So I'm running on Intel processor, Win32-bit, right? So now I'm in the shell. I can write some Python code here. So I'll type 1, it returns 1. If I type 1 plus 1, it returns 2. So I can do mathematical calculation here. So I can define, all the programming concept here, but we're not going to do that. I'm just going to show you if you need to run any Python script quickly and get the results straight away, then Python shell is the best place where you can write those scripts. So I'm going to write a hello world program, which is the basic beginner level program, and every programmer starts with that program, right? So we're going to type a method print and open parentheses, double quotes, hello world, close with double quotes, and then close with parentheses. I'm going to press enter and it returns hello world. So congratulations, you have written your first Python program on Commander using Python 3.7.4. Now to exit shell, you simply type exit and open and close parentheses. Press enter and you are back in Windows